Heasmans v. Clarity Cleaning 1987. A contractor was taken on to clean offices and was given keys. A cleaner made expensive international telephone calls. The appeal succeeded. The contractor was not vicariously liable for his employees' acts. There had to be shown some connection beyond opportunity between the servant's tortious or criminal act in the circumstances of his employment so that it was committed in the course of the servant's employment. That the mere fact that the servant's employment had given him access to the plaintiff's premises was not enough. To establish vicarious liability, there had to be a nexus other than mere opportunity between the circumstances of employment and the wrongful act.